In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online Payroll 2026. Step by step. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, open Payroll. If Payroll isn't set up yet, select Get Started and walk through the guided setup. Enter your business details, including your EIN, legal business name, address, and applicable tax information. Accuracy here is essential, so match what the IRS in your state have on file. Next, add your employees. For each person, enter their full name and address, choose whether they're paid hourly or on a salary, and capture their tax information based on their W-4. If you plan to use direct deposit, which is optional but highly recommended, enter their bank details carefully. Before moving on, pause to double-check all tax and employee details to prevent payroll errors later. Once setup is complete, head to Payroll, then Employees, and choose Add an Employee whenever you hire someone new. Fill in their pay rate, assign the correct pay schedule such as weekly, bi-weekly, or semi-monthly, and confirm their tax withholding settings. If you're paying by direct deposit, add their bank details at this time. Save your changes and review the employee profile to make sure everything looks right. A consistent pay schedule and accurate tax settings will save you time every pay period. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Choose the correct pay schedule, then enter hours for hourly employees. Salaried amounts will pre-fill automatically. Review the summary showing wages, taxes, and any deductions before you submit. QuickBooks calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and other deductions you've set up, so take a moment to confirm the numbers align with your expectations. When everything looks good, click Submit Payroll. If you're using direct deposit, be mindful of processing cutoffs so your team is paid on time to handle payroll taxes, open taxes, and then payroll tax. Review the amounts due, and if automatic payments are enabled, click Pay to confirm. Depending on your subscription, QuickBooks can also file your payroll tax forms automatically. Even with automation, it's a good practice to check due dates and confirm filings are successful. Finally, for visibility and record keeping, go to Reports. Search for and run Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Download or print what you need for your files, bank reconciliations, or to share with your accountant. With these steps, you'll run payroll confidently and keep your records clean and compliant.